Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and enter additional settings. Select languages and input, click on the manage keyboards and select settings from Gboard. Go for the theme, and right now we are able to pick up one of this theme. I think that I'm going to take maybe this one, so click to download. And then you can also turn off the keyboarders to see your theme more clearly. Then let's apply, and as you can see right now, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.